Bring the thunder. All right, that's looking better. Now let's get rid of this stuff here. Jeez, look at all that. Amazing. That works. Contact. Oh yeah, that's working out well. Yep, that is nice and smooth. The final reassembly. Stage last. Okay, make some room here. This little dude goes in. And a quarter turn and locks in. Alright, that's nice. Fabulous. Now, how about we get a hose installed? That might be helpful. Appears to be in there. And click it in that away. I guess probably be nicer if that was turned outside. Okay, so now I just have some tools left, and this is what came with the machine. Now remember, this was a curb find, so that's all I had. So here's this, but I'm missing two tools. Well, guess what? Back in 2004, I had a Dirt Devil bagless that used one of the real tall filters, and I still have some of the tools. So here's a dusting brush, and I've been saving this for like 8 or 9 years. Here's a little turbo tool. I had it in a box somewhere. So let's see, does this fit? Hope it does. Oh, look at that. So now we are complete. Except I need to rearrange the cord, don't I? That's not how we want the cord, is it? Let's go and put it in the back there. Okay, so first run. We are complete. Nothing's fallen off. Set this to medium pile, and away we go. And the light bulb even works. Isn't that amazing? Oh, it would be nice if I plugged it in. Okay, let's try that again. Well, that sounds kind of nice. It's not that bad. It's agitating the pile, but I wonder, I'm going to put it one notch further down and try it again. I mean, it's super easy to push. I mean, it's really easy to push. sound is great. It's not obnoxious or high-pitched. I'm kind of wondering though if because of the extreme wear and tear in the brush roll, if maybe I'll run it one notch further down from just right on medium, but it does touch the pile there. So stay tuned for airflow and suction tests and a whole bunch of other things. But here is another machine, and it is from 2007. And boy, does this thing ever work well. It needed a cleanup, it needed a belt, it needed the brush roll bearings. Well, you probably should replace the brush roll anyway, but at least needed the brush roll bearings re-greased, and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching. Did you know that this machine almost has the ability to turn itself off in the event of a blockage?